Hi, welcome back to Burning River Bushcraft. Today we're going to be making a couple wooden mallets. So behind me here I have a fallen red oak tree. It was the same red oak that I got that throwing stick out of. So I'm kind of getting on a green woodworking kick here a little bit. And to get started, I was going to come out today and just cut some blanks. But before I do that, I want to set myself up with a little better workstation. So I'm going to make some mallets right now. I might go in and make a couple wedges before I get started with this. You know, it's kind of a crappy day. I don't have a lot of time today, so I thought it would be a worthwhile project to do. So the first type of mallet I'm going to make, I'm just going to carve it down with an axe. I'm going to make a rough cut. This is going to be a bigger mallet. I'm going to use this one for some more of the heavy type work. Alright, so right here behind me, we're coming down on reduction. I've still got a long ways to go, but I've got this knot right here. This knot seems to be fighting me the whole way, and I think I'm going to make this the bottom gripping edge. So I got the basic shape down for this mother here. Chamfered the ends. I'm going to hit this again here a little bit better, but you don't want any sharp edges on any tool, especially something that's going to take a pounding like this. This is going to transfer all the energy back in and possibly crack the club, and you know, then this mallet will die an earlier death than I intended. I've got a nice swell here at the back of the hand. It's a little bit longer, and I kind of like it that way. It's going to give it a little more balance. This is like seriously heavy right now. You know, it's going to get lighter when it dries out. And I've also got the option, you know, if it's ridiculously too heavy even when it's dried, you know, I can saw this thing down and you know, lighten the swinging end of the club. But ideally, you know, you want to have multiple size mallets for different jobs, and finding a fresh, you know, downed oak tree like this gives me an opportunity to make, you know, a big sledgehammer size mallet. So that's what I was after today. So just a little bit more refining on the handle itself. You know, this swell at the end is going to give me a little bit of a counterweight. So everything's down pretty much like I like it. I'm just going to refine it. Jamie Boggs with Burning River Bushcraft. See you next time.